up? Hello, and today we have another question for Q&A Wednesdays, and this question is from Super Nemesis 12345, and they say, can you export data from the software? When they say software, they're talking about the PicoLog 6 software, which we have right here. So can you export the data? I think you can. So what we need to do is we have a lovely PicoLog dataset here, and this is from a temperature testing from one of our other videos, which you can see in the link below. So what we need to do is export a CSV. So in this button just up here, we can click export to CSV. Now what that'll do is bring up this little configuration table, and we can choose what kind of data we want. So it will average the data, it will give us the last known data, it will give us the minimum and maximum, and this is from each sample as well. We can also change the sample rate, we can change the number of decimal places, because PicoLog may capture more decimal places than a CSV needs to process. So if we click all of the averages, and then it will automatically find the sample rate, and it's limited to the lowest sample rate, and then we'll keep the decimal places at 3. So we'll save this data, and then we'll export the data as well. So we're going to export the entire capture. You also can export current data bounds and the graph bound as well, but we'll export it all. So we'll save it as resin molding data. We'll save it as 3, and then it'll export the data for us. So you can see here also we have our graph view, and now we have our table view, which wasn't visible before, and it's essentially all the CSV data but built into PicoLog itself. So if we open the data, and here you can see I've opened one earlier, we have all of the CSV data available for us to process. And that is simply, that was impressive. And that was how to export data from PicoLog 6. I hope that was useful, and remember to subscribe. Any more questions, drop them down in the comments below.